Good morning. My name is Adison Harrison, and I'm a new tutor here on Wyzant. And I'm super excited to show you how to solve this problem dealing with radians. So first, let's understand what exactly this question is asking us. Now, the question states, during World War II, German U-boats would dive 150 meters below the surface. If an enemy ship was 330 meters away on the surface, what angle in radians should the U-boats shoot to hit the ship? So first, let's understand what the question is asking us. It's asking us to find the angle in radians. So in order to do that, let's understand this equation by putting it on the Cartesian coordinate system. Now we are told that we have German U-boats, and they are 150 meters below the surface. Now let's just say that the surface is the x value. So we have 150 meters below, or on the y value, the surface. And then we have an enemy ship 330 meters away on the surface, so it's on the x value. So now that we have it on the Cartesian coordinate system, we can see that we need to make a right triangle so that we can use the tangent or sine or cosine in order to find the angle. So let's create a right triangle by connecting the 330 value and the 150 value. And now we need to find this angle right here. In order to do that, we need to use tangent. The reason is because we are given the opposite value of 150 and the adjacent value of 330. And that's exactly what tangent asks for. Tangent theta asks for the opposite value over the adjacent value, or in our case, 150 over 330. Now I want to make something really clear. On the Cartesian coordinate system, the 150 is a negative and the 330 is a negative. So that just cancels each other out. So we have 150 over 330 positive. So now in order to solve for theta, or what our angle is, we need to isolate theta. In order to do that, we need to multiply by tangent negative 1, which is the same thing as multiplying by 1 over tangent. So let's say tangent negative 1 times tangent negative 1, which would give us theta equals tangent negative 1 times 5 over 11. Now we get theta equals 0.2439. Now we cannot stop there. The reason is because this answer is in degrees. And we don't want 8 degrees. We want 8 radians. So to convert to radians, in order to do that, we need to convert it to radians. Now, in order to convert to radians, what we have to do is we have to multiply by pi over 180. Now, in trigonometry, pi is the symbol for radians, and it is equivalent to 180 degrees. So if we were to multiply this number, 0.2439, times degrees, pi over 180 degrees, that'd be the same as multiplying it by 1. And we can multiply anything in math by 1 because we'd get the exact same answer. So let's cross out the degrees, and then we are just left with radians. So if we multiply 0.2439 times pi, we get 135 pi. And that's our answer. We now know what the angle the ship must shoot it at in radians, which is what the answer question is asking us. I hope that made sense, and I hope that it answers any questions that you may have on the Cartesian coordinate system, or on tangent, or even on radians. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.